dear Nina, as you know, we just came this morning from Rijeka in Croatia to the beautiful city of Koper in Slovenia. It took us a night, and that was the first night that I slept for a solid 8 hours. You know why? Because your team and you took part in the preparation of what happened for the past 3, 4, even 5 days. We were in Rijeka. The previous stop was the stop in Rijeka, where we managed to attract thousands of people to support our cause for the future of sustainability in European fisheries. We also received more political support, at least declaratory, politicians that we ever hoped for. I think we also get the support from public figures as a symbol of what we've been all fighting for. I give you this little flag under which slogan that the sustainable fishery is the future. We campaigned in Croatia. Here.
Thank you, Zoran. It's the first day here in Koper. Things look very promising. The weather is nice. We had very good media turnout, and seems like that we are slowly getting also the politicians on our side, which is very positive. And I think that also fishermen, that are the most important players in our campaign, feel more appreciated and understood by those that are deciding about their future. So like you did, here is also one flag that is just like yours, but has the Slovenian slogan that the future is in sustainable fishing, for you to keep as a memory for this project. And I think that let's hope in few months that we'll be celebrating a very positive outcome in Brussels as well.
Thank you.
Yeah.